Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. So the jobs I wanted to share today is, I have collected like more than 15 genuine jobs with the recruiter's email address, and you can share your profiles with them. And if you have noticed, I have posted a couple of other jobs as well. I would be adding those link to this video description. Feel free to check it out, those jobs, if you found any useful for you, or else share those jobs with the people who are looking for the jobs, or you can refer to your friends, families, and who not. And coming to this video, I would be sharing few more jobs. The first job here is in 9x Media Group, which is a TV channel. We see the music every day, and these people are hiring for comedy content creators, and they did not mention the experience. It would be from fresher to senior level. I'm not sure, but give a try. Just shoot your resume at deepta.shraf at 9xmedia.in. And the next job would be this job is in Anvium Solutions Private Limited. These people are hiring only freshers as of now. I'm really not sure where the company would be, but these people are hiring BTech, MCA, and BCA freshers who have recently passed out in 2022 or 2021. Feel free to shoot out your resume to poonam.kumari at anviam.com. If they found you are a good fit to the job, they'll give you a call or they'll reach you with the further steps. And the next job would be nobroker.com. This company is a product based company. It's good to start your career here. And the job location is in Bangalore, Sarjapur. And the positions these people are hiring for is customer support and telesales executive. Both are voice processes. I believe it would be a good opportunity for freshers who are into degree rather than BTech or engineering. Next, how you can apply is you can share your updated resume to at sohat.mane at nobroker.in, or call to the given number, which is 7760710777. And the next job is in Cognos Technology. It's a walk-in drive. These people are hiring for HR freshers. If you are MBA HR, or if you are some BBA or BCom group, I believe this would be better opportunity for you. This job would be based on Ajmer Road, Jaipur, and the walk-in drive would be tomorrow. I'm sorry. The walk-in drive would be from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. These people did not provided any dates, but yeah, it's good if you can give a call to the given number, which is 852-906-3027. And the next job would be these people are hiring for freshers. A company called Instances is hiring, and this would be a walk-in drive. If I'm not wrong, the walk-ins would be tomorrow from 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. I'm really not sure where exactly the location of this company is, but feel free to send your resume at chirag.joshi at instances.com. And these people are hiring for mobile associates. I think it would be mobile developer. Again, I'm not sure, but give a you can ask everything on the email. This another two positions would be Java associates and Python associates. These people are hiring for BTech or MCA from 2019 to 2022 pass outs. In case till now, if someone passed in 2019 or 20 during the corona pandemic, if you are still unemployed, feel free to just shoot out your resume to this person, chirag.joshi at instances.com. And the next company is Strive, connecting the dots. I think this is a good company. You can give a try. Just send your resume to karsana.tarpasundaram at strive.com, or you can give a call at 9361 So these people are hiring for freshers who have completed their MSc in science or engineering, EC, triple E, CS, or IT, and these people only require 2022, 2021, and 22 graduates only. This position is based out of Trichy, Tamil Nadu. Just give a try, guys. If you are freshers, it's a good opportunity. Next job is for FPGA engineers for Hyderabad location. Experience is 0 to 3 years of experience. Uh, and The person who is going to apply for this job would need some experience in Xilinx and Vivado. These two are some tools related to the embedded systems. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. And this should be face-to-face discussions for final rounds, and venue and date will be notified to the shortlisted candidates. And you can apply to these jobs by sharing your updated resume with madhuri.tomar at insights.in. And the next job here is Sasken companies hiring for UI UX designers. Usually these guys need 4 to 9 years of experience. Location is in Bangalore. You can send your updated resume to hefsiba.nd@sasken.com to apply for this UI UX position. And the next position would be in Synopsys. It's a great company. It is a competitor of Qualcomm, Xilinx, AMD, and these people are looking for HR interns who have completed their MBA in HR, or this is a good opportunity to start your career in HR domain. And you can apply to this job by just scanning this QR code. And also the position locations would be Bangalore, Hyderabad, and NCR. If you need few more details related to this position, feel free to reach Sunny or Tata Verti. Uh, Her profile is here in the LinkedIn. You can ping her. The next company is Guru Technolabs. These people are hiring for iOS developer, and these people are seeking 1 to 4 years of experience. You can apply to this job by sharing your updated resume at hr@gurutechnolabs.com or call to that person 915-7139066, and refer to your friends who are looking for a job or job change in iOS developer. And the next job is for talent acquisition officer, which would be HRs or recruiters, IT recruiters, technical recruiters, whatnot. So, a company called Finexus Group is hiring for this position. You can share your updated resume to tana.selvam at finexusgroup.com. Work location would be Titiwangsa Central. I believe this would be somewhere in Tamil Nadu. Even I'm not sure. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach her, Tanalachumi. Tanalachmi. I'm sorry if I spelled her name wrong. And the next position is hiring by Qs Corp. These people provide employment services. These people hire for their clients, and these people is hiring for quality analysis, manual testing, and software testing. The location would be Noida, Chennai. Experience they need is 3+ years of experience. You can update to this job by just sharing your resume at ekta.chauhan@qscorp.com. The next job is Bright Roots is hiring for a position React Native developer, and they are seeking 6 months to 3 years of experience. Location would be in Mohali. You can directly contact at 7696407336 if you need any more information about the job or location or what kind of job is like work from home or you need to be on site. and you can apply to this role by sharing your CV at hr@brightroots.net. This would be a good job for people who are in Mohali. And the next job is KPMG is hiring BE or BTech 2022 batch freshers who have more than 70% or with 70% a percentage. I don't know what these people will do with these percentages, but it's their requirement. You can apply for this position by sharing your updated CV at aditibansal1 at kpmg.com. And these people, are preferring immediate joiners. And KPMG, I don't know if they're hiring for Hyderabad or Bangalore. Probably these two are the biggest hubs for them. And if they're going to hire B or B Tech freshers, it would be mostly the technical roles, so like software developers, software engineers, QA, or testing, or it might be technical support as well. We are not sure. And the next company is Cotru. This company is hiring for React.js developers and UI UX designers. And I'm not sure where exactly this company is, but yeah, you can give a try by just sending your updated resume to naveenc@kotru.com. Next job is a company called Softcube is hiring for freshers. This would be a great opportunity to start your career. The location would be in Indore, Bhopal. It's in Madhya Pradesh. It's a heart of India. And the qualifications are BE, BTech, CS, IT or EC only, and MCA 2021 and 22 passwords with aggregate of 65% in all academics. You can apply to this role directly by sharing your resume at dolly.rati@softcube.com. And the next job is in Wipro, Kolkata. These people are conducting walk-in drives from 18 July, Monday to Fridays, for international voice process BPO, and this would include night shifts. MBA, BTech, MTech, LLB, Civil, or not eligible to apply for these jobs. So probably this would be for only degree people. And notice period up to 10 days may only apply. So these Wipro people have 3 months of notice period, and they are expecting some other person to join in their company within 10 days. I don't know how is it possible. And if you want to apply for this job, you can directly apply by sharing your updated resume to samanvaya.gupta@wipro.com, and do mention your current CTC and notice period while sharing your resume with them. And the next job is India Mart is hiring for HR people, talent acquisition executive. They need minimum 6 months of experience in the recruitment. Maximum would be it's up to you. And the qualification would be MBA compulsory with 70 percentage and above. Location would be Noida, and you can apply for this job by sending your updated resume with asta.srivastav@indiamart.com. And the next job is in Global Apps company. I don't know where exactly is this company. I'm sorry, it is in Bangalore. So these people are hiring for software development engineers and software development engineers in testing. These people have immediate openings for SD 1 2 3 in iOS, Android, backend, Java, Node.js, DevOps, and SecOps. And also these people are hiring for SDET for full stack CI/CD, mobile front end, QA, full stack. Additionally, these people are also hiring for engineering managers for backend and DevOps. So probably the person who is having from 1 year of experience to 20 years of experience would be eligible for all these roles. You can apply for this role by sending your updated resume to devika@globalapps.com, and they'll reach out to you if you're a good fit for that position. And the next job is for MBA in finance and CA people. These people are looking for finance and account managers in a company called Kutia Kutian Nathan. Kutian Nathan. So these people are ready to offer 10 lakhs per annum, but the experience is 8 to 10 years. I believe the salary is very less for that sort of experience. The office location is Chennai. If you want to apply for this job, share your updated resume at narendran@kutiandnathan.com, or else you can send your resume through WhatsApp to this number 8939632100. And the next job is hiring by closed loop company. These people are hiring for men's stack developer position with 3 to 6 plus years of experience. Location would be Mohali on site. So yeah, if I was there in that position, you can demand salary up to 15 plus lakh, 15 LPA plus. So the another job is this a company called J-Man Group. I believe it is a consultancy. These people are hiring developers with multiple combinations from 2 to 5 years of experience in multiple skills like machine learning, MySQL, Python, Java, and Power BI reporting tools, and multiple cloud technologies. So yeah, this is the position description, and you can apply to this role by sending your updated CV to Gayatri Rajagopalan at jmangroup.com. The next job is a company called Utrade is hiring for Python developer in Mohali with 2 plus years of experience. If you want to apply this job, please share your updated resume with Bhavna at Kalra at utradesolutions.com. That's it, guys. These are the jobs I am sharing with you, and please do share with your friends or the job seekers who are looking for a job actively. And don't forget to like, share, and comment this video, and subscribe to our channel for more jobs. We would be sharing few more jobs in our upcoming videos, and also just do watch our previous videos. Maybe you would be having some great opportunities in those videos as well. Thank you and have a great day.